How to recover deleted Facebook photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Now select on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. So let's tap on it and select over here on settings and privacy. Tap on settings and then simply what you need to do is tap on see more in account center. Scroll down again and tap on your information and permissions. Select on the option of export your information over here, and as you do that it will land us to a new page where you can simply select the information. So tap on create export and select your profile and tap on export to device. Select on start export. So as you do that you can simply select the date range, your format, your media quality and so on, and select on start export, and you'll be able to recover deleted Facebook photos as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.